Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record cash expenses on Coconut accounting software on web browser based accounting software. So you need to log or get on Coconut web. Here you need to go to bookkeeping section, and when you go to either unreviewed, all transactions or business transactions, doesn't matter, you have an option to add a manual adjustment. Click on add a manual adjustment, and here start typing a description. For example, I have a petrol, select the date, today I purchased the petrol, and this is money out, okay? And I purchased petrol for £25. Now I need to select an expense category, so if it will be fuel or petrol, yeah, it is fuel called here, and I can add notes to reference why I have purchased this fuel or petrol for my business. So I will have a supplier meeting. So going to supplier meeting, click add, and you will have a second option or second part where you can still change category, add more details in notes section, plus attach attachment. Here I can add an attachment from saved receipts. So if you have taken copies or pictures of receipts and you have saved on a cloud on Coconut accounting software, then you will be able to add from saved receipts. If you have downloaded files, for example, if you have supplier invoices for particular transactions, you can upload from computer. So in my case, I will add from saved receipts, and I have a receipt already taken and saved in cloud on today for £25, and click attach. Now this receipt been attached to this transaction, and you do not need to click save because this Coconut accounting software automatically saves transaction. Okay, so now when I go back to main unreviewed or even all transactions, here is my manual adjustment for petrol for £25, and there is also a pin showing that there been attachment added or support document being attached there. So this is a way how you can record cash expense on Coconut accounting software, mainly on Coconut web or in web browser based accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete Coconut accounting software tutorial, as well as my personal review of this accounting software. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me.